Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and certified pre-owned. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release. Come take a test drive today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used program. It's the smart choice.